Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're in the game, now go straight to Settings and open Controls, then tap Customize. You want to edit the HUD layout type that contains the event button, choose Classic or your active layout. Once selected, enter the layout editor so the interface shows live buttons. From here you can tap the event button to pick it up and move it, or access visibility toggles. Start by identifying which layout the event icon belongs to so you don't edit the wrong set. Once the editor is active, tap and hold the event icon and drag it to a new location that doesn't block aiming or movement. You can also shrink it or lower transparency to make it less intrusive. If you prefer not to see it, drag it near the edge or toggle visibility if available. Make sure to check other HUD elements for overlap and switch the editor between game modes, because event buttons can be set separately for Classic, Arcade, and Training. After adjusting, hit Save and immediately test in Training to confirm the event button behaves as expected. Once satisfied, export or backup your HUD layout so you can restore it after updates or accidental resets. If the button returns or your layout reverts, clear the app cache, restart Bgmi, and reapply the saved layout. Make sure the game is fully updated, because updates sometimes reset custom HUDs. If problems persist, recreate the layout and re-export it as a new backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.